In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload UGC or join UGC program in Roblox. So right now, I will be opening my browsers and then I will let you copy the URL above. So we will be looking for updates and changes to the UGC catalog applications. So this is the URL. Just go ahead and copy that one. So for the updates of UGC, it says here that as you may know, our UGC program is continuing to expand as we welcome over 250 creators to the program this wave. We're continuing to make the program as diverse as possible, and to help expand upon that goal, we're making a few changes to our UGC application. So UGC applications are now permanently. So starting today, you may submit your application at any time. Please follow the direction on the application as it is not the same as in previous wave. If directions are not allowed, your application will be rejected. So the application guidelines is anyone interested in joining the program is welcome to apply. However, this program is in high demand and can take multiple weeks for you to hear back from us. So, to be able to be accepted, you need to have a good community member. So, you should not be banned from Roblox.com. Now, at the bottom, you will see here more updates like how do I get access to create UGC items? How can I have inspiration for UGC accessories? How to get function UGC? And many more. Now let's move on to the application forms. So you can also again copy the URL here at the top. So I will be zooming it for you. So this is the Roblox application. Just go ahead and read all of this before signing in the form. So it says here at the bottom that you need to enter your birth date. So just go ahead and follow the format, month first, date, and then the year. So once you're done, you can see the arrow at the bottom there. So just go ahead and click that one. And then this is now the application form. So you have to put your first name, last name, email address, Roblox username, what country are you located in, and Twitter handle. So you have to have a Twitter account and etc. And then you can go ahead and continue on the arrow below. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.